Good morning, students. Today we are going to start the next lesson, lesson number 5. And what's the name of the lesson? That is trees are best friends. Okay, so in this chapter we are going to read about the advantages of planting trees with the help of these characters. Okay, these are some characters which are used in this lesson, that is Pooja, Riya, Rekha, Amrita. All these are the some best friends, grandpa. Okay, so now let's begin the lesson. One Sunday afternoon, Pooja's friends came to her house. One Sunday afternoon, Pooja's friends came to her house. It suddenly began to rain. So when her friends they came to her house, it suddenly started raining. They could not go out to play, and because of that these children they were not able to go outside and play. Pooja's grandpa told them not to feel sad. Pooja's grandfather of Pooja, what he said to the friends of Pooja, that not to feel sad. He called them and said, then he called his friends and said, I'll tell you some interesting things. Do you know, trees are one of the best things that Mother Earth has given us. So what does the grandfather tell to Pooja's friends? That do you know that Mother Earth, what is the best thing that the Mother Earth has given us? They are our best friends. They are our best friends. And grandfather said that they are our best friends. They help us in many ways. Now each one of you will tell me at least one use of the trees. Okay, so what did the grandfather ask? Grandfather asked her friends to give one use of the trees. So first of all, the Pooja said, they give us wood. We use wood in making houses, boxes, tools. Isn't what the Pooja said? This is the first use of the wood. They give us wood. The forest give us wood. We use wood in making houses, box, tools. Isn't? If we plant trees, then only the woods are going to come, no? Riya. They provide us with medicinal herbs. Isn't herbs? What's the meaning of the herbs? A small plant without woody stem. So there are many plants. There are many medicinal plants which we get from the forest, which we get from the plants. So Riya said that they gave us many medicinal herbs. Many medicines we get from these herbs. Rekha. Trees give us shade. Rekha said that trees give us shade. Yes, that if it is going to turn into a big tree, then it provide the shades, it provide a shelter to the passers, the people who are passing from that area. Now the next is firstly what Pooja said. Pooja said that they give us wood. Then Riya said that they give us medicinal plants. Third one, that is Rekha, and she said that trees give us shade. Now fourth, that is Amrita, we get fruits from the trees. Isn't? If we don't have the trees and plants, then from where we are going to get the fruits and the vegetables? Renu. Trees provide us with nuts, rubber, oil and gum. Okay, so trees provide us with nuts, rubber, oil and gum. Suman. The branches of the trees are the best place for the birds to build their nest. Isn't this is also a very important thing, that the branches of the trees, isn't, or you have seen also that on the trees, branches of the trees, birds they make their nest na, and these nests are their houses. Grandpa, can you tell some more other uses of trees? Then grandpa said that can you tell some more uses of the trees? Riya, trees provide us with paper. Then Riya said that trees provide us with paper. From where we get the paper? We get the paper from the trees. We should not be able to read and write without paper, and if there is no paper, then we won't be able to read and write. Grandpa became very happy. Grandpa, I'll now tell you about some more uses of trees. Then grandpa said that now I will tell you some more important uses of the trees. As you can see, these are the friends of Ria. He is a grandpa. See here. Trees help to keep the air clean and fresh. What did the grandpa said? Grandpa said that trees help to keep the air clean and fresh. Trees keep the air clean and fresh. They absorb the carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Oxygen, this thing also we know that the plants, they absorb the carbon dioxide and give us oxygen, and oxygen we inhale, isn't what we breathe in? We breathe in oxygen, and carbon dioxide we exhale, release out. During the photosynthesis, during the process of photosynthesis, first of all, what is photosynthesis? The process by which green plants prepare its own food in the presence of sunlight, isn't? So what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process through which green plants make their food in the presence of sunlight. So the plants, they absorb the carbon dioxide and give out oxygen, the oxygen which we breathe in. From where this oxygen comes? This oxygen comes from the trees. They cause rainfall too, and they cause the rainfall too. They protect the water resource under the ground. Their roots bind the soil and prevent the soil erosion. As you have seen that if we are having a plain surface area, then from that plain surface area, water used to so water from that area easily get flow, and the place where the trees are there, so at that place, if the rainfall is going to be there, or if you are going to put the water over there, then definitely the water is going to be stored over there for some time. Why the water is going to be stored there for some time? Because the roots of the trees and plants, they, with the help of their roots, they used to bind it. They used to hold the water in their roots inside the soil. Now, so their roots bind the soil and prevent the soil erosion. So as you can see that trees, how much they are important for our life. So we can't imagine also our life without the trees. If trees are there, only then our life is possible, because the most important thing that the trees used to give, that is the oxygen. And if there is no oxygen, then what we are going to breathe in? And without breathing, can anyone stay alive? No, and life is not possible at all. So we are totally dependent on these trees, whether directly or indirectly. As you have seen, there are certain uses of the trees, but among these, the most important thing, that is the oxygen, and the second thing also, that is the water. So due to this process, it prevented the soil erosion. Soil erosion, what is? Means washing away of the soil from the earth's surface. Okay, wearing away of the soil from the surface. This is called as a soil erosion. Trees also prevent floods and the droughts. The area which are having a trees, they prevent the floods and the droughts. Flood means excess water, the flow of the excess water, and drought, where there is no water. Do you know, still many of the tribes in our country live inside dense forest. Do you know one thing? That now also many tribes, many communities are there, those who live inside the dense forest. Trees are indeed a marvelous gift of God to us. Yes, it's very true that the trees are the marvelous gift, means it's a very precious gift which has been given by God to we people. It is our duty to protect them. So it is our duty, isn't? to protect them, because without trees our life is not possible. Trees are our friends. Without them there would have been no life on earth. All the children became serious. Yes, this is a very serious matter. It's a very important matter, that without the trees life is not possible. So it's our duty that to protect the trees. So from here I'm going to start tomorrow. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and have a good day. Just go through these pages. Thank you.